Okay, so for today's lesson, we will tackling about the anatomy of OHLC and OLHC. Okay? So dito natin no, gagamitin natin yung concept ng open, high, low close or open, low, high close on our biases. Okay? So pwede natin gamitin to on the higher time frame like monthly, weekly, daily. Okay? So usually nagagamit to dun sa higher time frame. At in some cases, pwede rin siyang gamitin for day trades. Okay? Wherein um wherein ang possible na mangyari kasi doon is na target yung mga nearest draw on liquidity based on the narrative itself kung ano yung nagawa ng market. Okay? So, so first we have the OHLC or also known as the high, low, and close. Bearish bearish OHLC candle forms when the price open at the opening price and initially moves upward creating the high. Okay? Kung mapapansin nyo, meron tayong bearish candle dito. Okay, so sabi dito, form daw yung bearish OHLC first price open and the opening price. So meron siyang opening candle dito is nasa taas. Okay? And initially moves upward. So nagki-create siya ng high. Okay? Dito sa high na to, dito tayo makakikita. Throw tayo, bot. So area na to, dito tayo makakikita ng reversal bias after na magkaroon ng mitigation dun sa high natin. For example, we have daily order block or monthly order block dito. So na nag-cause ng high. And at the same time, after na mag-close below opening price, maybe we can do for value gap or order block area na to. Okay, so dito na tayo makakahanap ng reversal structure. Okay. And second, it then reverses. So dito na yon. Okay, so dito tayo makakahanap ng reversal structure below the opening price. Okay, so ayan, so breaking below the opening price and continuing downward to form the low. Okay? So depende na din 'yon kung ano no, kadalasan when it comes to OHLC on the higher time frame, liquidity, always na liquidity yung kinukuha to form the low. Okay? So depende na din 'yan kung may nearest peak array na kung saan dun nagke-create yung low ng OHLC, okay? And after reaching the low, ayan, so ayan, for example, meron tayong um, old low here, okay, na kinuha. There is often a small pullback. So nagkakaroon siya ng small pullback, no? For example, itong um, discount week na yan. Okay, so yan yung pullback ng um, candle after na nagkaroon ng mitigation dun sa previous lows natin or higher time frame key levels. Okay? And typically, then the candle ultimately closes near or below the opening price, typically lower than the opening price, resulting in a red candle or bearish candle. So, ayun nga no, so pwede rin nating i-trade kung um, Kung pullback ito, okey? Dito sa ano 'to, depende na din 'yun kung meron siyang strong PDRA or wrestling activity dun sa area na 'yun, okey? Kasi kadalasan kapag nagkakaroon ng mitigation on the creating the low, nagkakaroon siya ng pullback hanggang dun sa rest dun sa opening price. Kadalasan yung candle hindi siya, ganito kalaki, kung nagkakaroon ng for example ganito lang, kadalasan ganito lang yung ano niya, sobrang laki yung, rejection week dito sa low na 'to, okey? So, depende na din yun kung ano yung binibigay ng market 'no. So, that's all dito sa OHLC. So, proceed na tayo sa OLHC, okey? So, dito naman sa balik so dito naman sa baliktad. So, dito naman sa baliktad, ay okey. So, dito naman sa OHLC 'no, so baliktad yung ano dun. Okey, so sorry 'no, na-typo ako dito sa part na 'to. Dun naman sa OHLC, ganun lang din yung narrative, okey? So, binaliktad lang. Price opens at the opening price and initially moves downward creating the low. So, dito na yon, okey? So, for example, meron tayong PDL dito and, or also known as the previous day low, kinuha, then after that nagkaroon ng, um, reversal which is above the opening price. Example, meron tayong, bullish, fair value gap dito or bullish order block, and at the same time, we're breaking the opening price, it will continue upward from the high, okay? After reaching the high, there is often small pullback 'no, mayroon din siyang pullback, okey? Candle ultimately closes near or above the opening price, typically higher than the opening price resulting a green candle, okey? So ayun nga, kadalasan kasi meron siyang back 'no, meron siyang, reversal structure dito within the pullback, okey? Depende na din 'yan kung ano yung ibibigay dito, okey? Yun nga, kadalasan kasi kapag nagkakaroon ng mitigation sa high na 'to, bumabalik papunta dun sa opening candle, okey? So sometimes, nag-e-expect kami ng HLC pero hindi, okey? So depende na din yun kung sobrang laki yung rejection sa part na 'to. So i-try natin i-backtest or try natin i-front test itong narrative na 'to kung working ba sa 'to, okey? Hindi ko muna i-de-deep dive using the ICT kill zones kasi, siyempre more on crypto traders yung ano natin dito. So, in a simple term na lang 'no, so we are using the basic, narrative wherein we, can execute order blocks or value gaps, okay? And so here, wait lang, ito, top streaming ko na Porch, okay?